All right, let's look at number 6. Raven is making pillows. Each pillow requires 3/5 yard of fabric, and Raven has 6 2/3 yards of fabric. Find the number of pillows Raven can make. So I know some people would go right away, say 3/5 divided by 6 2/3, because that's what came first. But we got to think about, what are we dividing up? What's our dividend? And so each pillow, so one pillow needs this much fabric. But she has all of this fabric right here. So we're going to take all this fabric and divide it by 3/5 to find out the number of pillows Raven can make. So I'm just going to write here, right there, okay? And then we're going to put it on our grid paper, or any paper you want, because we don't have to do these on grid paper. So 6 2/3 divided by 3/5. Now let's remind ourselves that in order to be able to divide, to proceed with our equation or expression here, we have to have fractions. This is already in fraction form, but this mixed number needs to be converted to an improper fraction. So I'm going to multiply my numerator times my whole number, which I get 18. 18 plus 2 more is 20. And I'm rewriting my expression before I proceed. Now I have two fractions. Now I'm going to keep, change, flip. So keep my first fraction, change my division to multiplication, and then flip, find the reciprocal of my second fraction. Okay? Now I'm going to see if I can cross simplify. So 3 is prime, and it's not a factor of 20, so I can't simplify that. And, ooh, 3 and 5, yuck, they're both prime, ooh. So we're just going to have to multiply across. 20 times 5 is 100. 3 times 3 is 9. Now I have an improper fraction, and we know we have to simplify to a mixed number. So I'm going to do 100 divided by 9. 9 goes into 10 one time. Subtract. 9 goes into 10 again one more time. Subtract. And remember, when we're converting back to a mixed number, we will have a remainder. Okay? So in our strategy that we did in class, remember we have to do this today. We circled the 3 key numbers that we need to build that mixed number. Now, as we always know, denominator stays the same. My remainder is my new numerator, and my quotient is my whole number. Now, I got to think about this. I have 11 and 1/9. However, that is not an option. But here's the thing. This is where some of our, real world thinking comes into play. So she needs to find the number of pillows Raven can make. Well, she cannot make part of a pillow, can she? So in this case, how many complete pillows can she make? And that would be your quotient, that whole number, 11. Okay? I'm sure if you have any moms or grandmas or anybody who likes to sew and make things, they're going to have leftover fabric. And that's what happened right here. We had leftover fabric.